You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression from Mexican Spanish slang. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in Mexico from Mexico, stay tuned. Orale. There's normally an accent on the O, meaning that you stress on that first syllable. Spanish pronunciation, how to pronounce orale in English. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, orale, how to pronounce orale from Spanish orale. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.